Wanna know how to change your language in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your Mobile Legends game, and once you're there, on the top right here you can see your gear-like icon. It should be right beside your Wi-Fi icon right here. So once you've selected your gear icon, right here you can see language under the basic interface. So you can head towards any interface around here. Right down here you should be seeing language. Now just simply select your default language, that should be English. And once that is done, you can just simply change it to anything you like, from text, voice and transcription as well. Now I'll just select Spanish this time and then select OK once again. And that's it. Now after that is done, you need to simply restart the game and then your changes will take place. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.